Good day everyone! We are now wrapping up the amazing 3-day Music Manila Expo 2025 held from August 14 at nagtapos kayong araw August 16 dito sa World Trade Center, Manila. We all came here together to celebrate the best of music, entertainment, and technology. Grabe, right? Ang daming energy, ang daming bagong discoveries, at syempre, ang daming unforgettable moments. For 3 days, talagang nabusog tayo sa innovation. From pro audio systems na literally shook the floor to lighting and LED displays na parang concert vibes sa bawat booth, hanggang sa staging, special effects, and broadcasting technology. Lahat nandito. We have live demos, exciting product launches, and technical talks na sobrang daming natutunan. Dagdag pa rito, syempre yung live performances na nagpapaalala sa atin kung bakit mahalaga ang sound, lights, and production in bringing music to life. And can we talk about the exhibitors? Over 144 exhibitors lang naman ang nag-join, including more than 50 international brands. At doon mo makikita yung dami ng opportunities to connect, to discover, and to collaborate. Each booth offered something new, something mind-blowing, and something na sure magbibigay ng level up sa ating entertainment industry. Sa pagtatapos kanina ng Music Manila Expo 2025, ipinapaabot po natin ang taos-puso nating pasasalamat sa lahat ng organizer, exhibitors, speakers, music industry professionals, and of course, kayong lahat, our amazing attendees. And it's all because of you kaya naging epic itong 3-day journey ng Music Manila Expo 2025. Dahil punong-puno ng innovations, inspirations, at collaboration. This is not the end, but just the beginning of ever bigger things ahead for the live entertainment industry here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat. Keep the passion alive and see you at the next Music Manila Expo.
Ada na pare.